up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. I am currently waiting for new mini brands to arrive in the mail. But what do we do until then? In the comments, some of you wanted to know what are some easy doll crafts that we can do when we're bored. Well, with a piece of paper, a pen, and a ruler, we can draw our own tiles. Draw a line every ½ inch, going all the way down the paper. Then let's turn it, place the ruler a ½ inch from the edge, make a line every other between the lines drawn, then move it up another ½ inch and repeat on the rows that we didn't draw on the first time. Over and over again, to make a page of subway tiles that we can now use to craft with, and even customize some doll playsets. This is the Barbie Coffee Shop. It's been around for a while. Right now, it is on the Target app for $20.49. We did a full review back in 2020. So we're going to take a minute and customize this one. The front of the counter is just a piece of paperboard with a printed image. There are a few stickers on the sides of products you might find at a coffee shop. And this one has some little pegs so we could put some Barbie accessories there. There's a menu. It's turquoise plastic with a sticker. There's a white counter, a coffee maker, and a pink shelf on the side. I'm just going to remove the tape in the back, holding the paperboard in place. Oops. But now we can easily remove this, place it onto the tile that we just made, trace around it on the back, and cut it out. Place it in the playset to change up the look. Let's add a little wood contact paper to the other side, covering up the stickers on the bottom 2 panels. Let's try to cover this on the side as well, making the Barbie playset a little more neutral that we can totally use to display our mini brands, like foodie mini brands. This is Series 2. I think the Cinnabon mini brands would be perfect with the colors we have here. Here's the collector's guide showing us some of the Cinnabon items we can hope to find, and the logo. So I made a few inspired printables that I will totally get on the blog as soon as I can. Let's add a frame to the menu using strips of contact paper, cut out a few of the printable labels, and glue them on to the menu. Cut out one of the larger printables and glue it onto the side to remove a lot of that pink. Let's draw some of our tile onto foam board. What I like about drawing the tile is that there are no seams. Let's add some contact paper. I used more of that brown wood to warm it up. I cut a 4-inch wide piece of black foam board. I cover the top with more contact paper, cut 2 1.5-inch strips for the sides. I glue on one of the sides. I glue a 6 by 4-inch rectangle to the bottom, add a piece on top, add a smaller one to the top, add a few shelves, add the other side to make a shelf to hold more mini brands. I added a strip of silver across the top and cut out one of the larger signs, glue it onto a few layers of poster board, cut it out, then glue foam board behind it, then use poster putty to attach a sign that we can move around. I used poster board for the floor, cut out more labels, and add them to the other Barbie accessories, like the cash register and the little cups, so we can still use the playset as designed. Let's use leftover foam board to make a counter. I add a little contact paper to the top and the wood print to the front to make faux cabinets that we can place in the back to give us more counter space for us to display our mini brands. Now we are on the search for more Cinnabon mini brands so we can add them to our store. It's a pizza from Pizza Hut. Doesn't Barbie have a pizza restaurant? We'll save that for later, because right now we need Cinnabon. And this is more Pizza Hut. Oh, wow. Did we make the wrong restaurant today? Here we have sushi. And what is this? It's mini pancakes from Jack in the Box. And this one, yes, that looks like the right color. We have cinnamon rolls from Cinnabon. Let's take them out of the wrapper and put them in the display. Nice. It does hang out a little in the back, but I can live with it. So that capsule gave us one Cinnabon item. Let's look through our mini brands collection and find the ones we already own. Nice. We have a pecan roll and, oh yes, another one of these and another pecan roll. Oh, yep, that'll do. I can't believe I'm saying this, but thanks to all my doubles, we have some products to go on the shelves. I think we can put two of these side by side. Yeah, we can. We have a few drinks that are already made. I can place the extras on the shelves in the back. And we have shelves for the extra cinnamon rolls. And this is why I love getting doubles. Who am I kidding? Y'all are about to look at me sideways. I better stop. Because the truth will come out. We're opening a few more foodie mini brands. This is the 4-pack from Target. It was $32.99, which comes out to be $8.25 each. Right now, the capsules are $8.49 a piece, so we're saving a little there. Let's see if we can get a few more Cinnabon items to stock our mini store. In the first one, we have, the Cinnabon Mocha Latte Chill and Jack in the Box Chicken Nuggets, along with lemonade. Come on, we need more Cinnabon. It's a smoothie. And this one feels promising. Is it? No. It's Jack in the Box Tiny Tacos. We are opening the second one because we totally need more. What's this? Teriyaki ice cream, but it's not Cinnabon. Ooh, we have Cinnabon Cinna Sweeties. Can they fit here? No. All right, we'll just have to put those back here. Hopefully, that's not our only Cinnabon product for this capsule. It's a Jack in the Box strawberry shake. This one might be pizza. Let's see, is it? Yep, it's pizza from Pizza Hut. And this is... it's the super rare Cinnabon Center of the Roll. It has a golden wrapper. Let's see, will this one fit in the top? No, kinda? No, not really. We'll just place it in the back. This is our third capsule. I'm glad we already had a nice size collection because if we were starting from nothing, this would take a while. We have a bowl of ramen noodles and a double jack with a soda from Subway and another pizza. Yep, it's a cheese pizza. And this is, yay, the classic cinnamon roll. With my current collection, I now have 4 pecans and 3 classics. Let's take one of the pecans and try to get it out. It would be really nice if they were just designed to do that. Oh, we got it. I did scratch it a little in the corner, but for the most part, it's pretty good. Now let's see if we can place it in the top shelf on our display. And we can! Yay! Somehow I managed not to destroy the box, so it's still usable. And now I think our store is pretty well stocked. But we do have one more to open. So anything we find now will pretty much be icing on the Cinnabon. Get it? We have some salmon with a side order of mini glazed ribs. And for dessert, we have a classic buttery jack with a mango a-go-go smoothie. And if we're still feeling hungry, we have, more Cinna Sweeties. I think Barbie and mini brands are the perfect combination. And I love the idea of giving our Barbie playsets a little makeover to go with them, allowing us to make our own mini brand stores. Thank you for joining us while we gave this Barbie playset a Cinnabon-inspired makeover. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!